Welcome to Smartboard Basic Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Smartboard and how you will use Smartboard applications. So let us start. If you notice, we have two different Smartboard icons here. Green color is for Smartboard driver. So you have to find out if this Smartboard is connected or not by simply double clicking on it. And if it's your first time to open this application, this message will appear in this corner. It's showing that the Smartboard is disconnected and also the color is red. Because right now, while having this tutorial, I don't have any Smartboard connected to my laptop. So that's why it shows red. So you have to pay attention with your Smartboard. Green color indicates the Smartboard is connected to your computer. And if it's red, that means your Smartboard is disconnected. Now, your interaction with the Smartboard will start here with this black icon. So just double click on it. Actually, this is Smartboard application. It's similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, if you are familiar with that, because it also contains slides. You can add more slides. This is Arabic language. So if you want to change the language to English, just press this one and look for this. Just change to English and click OK. Now it's in English language. Okay, this is how the Smartboard application look like. The toolbar, we have File, Edit, and View. So if you click File, you will see Document, Files. If you have many questions about how to use a Smartboard, or maybe you want to explore more about the Smartboard, so you better go to Info and find Help button. So it will give you a PDF file that contains all the steps and the manual of the In a Smartboard application, there is File, Edit, and View. So inside the File menu, you will find the Save As button, the Open, the New tab, and also you'll find the Documents where you can record, screenshot your work using the Smartboard application, and we have also the Settings, where you can change the language, change the name, and also the exit. So in Edit menu, you will find the pen. All types of pens are here. You will change the color here. If If you want blue, then you can if you want red, you can change the color to red. If you notice, there's color line and fill color. So you have to pay attention also with this. Maybe sometimes you want to change the color of your pen and then you choose here. Then you're surprised that didn't come. The work didn't, because why? You are selecting the fill color. So you have to choose the line color if you want to change the color of your pen. Okay,